guys, and welcome to the first video on the new Midnight Garage YouTube channel. My name is Joe. Just a bit about us for those of you that don't know. We'll do a lot of custom car work, restorations, modifications, engine builds, paint and body work, also smart repairs and normal servicing. So we just started as a group of lads in a unit, building our own cars, going to shows and meets. Then we had the brilliant idea of making it into a business where we do it for a living. So that's what you'll see in these videos. So in today's video, we'll be looking at a Dodge Viper Gen 2 replica that we're fully restoring. We've just got the chassis back from sandblasting and currently in the process of re-welding some of the welds on it. Wasn't really up to snuff, what we thought, and adding a bit of strength to it as well. So this will be the first video in a build series on this car, and hopefully we can bring in some more build series on other cars. My S14 is going to be in the shop in February for a full restoration, engine, paint, you name it. It'll be a completely new car, so stay tuned for that one as well. We also have a lot of good projects lined up. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. See, this is the sort of stuff that was on it previously. So that's what we need to fix. At the same way, this guy here, this is Jake, by the way, for those of you who don't know. Yeah, the stuff like this, obviously not good, needs redoing. Yeah, you have to get Ellie a lot hotter, don't you?
Yeah, it seems to be.
Right, this is just what he's just finished doing here. Doing the same on the other side now. So also we've got another project in with Merc. It's a 190E. 1991. That's for a very special customer, so stay tuned for that one. So as soon as we get the chassis done, we'll get put back together, make sure everything's fitting right, and then they'll get stripped again and for paint. This is the 5.7 Chevy V8 that goes in it. So, there's a quick rundown. We're going to be getting all new rock covers and water pump, all new inlets and exhaust manifolds. Still needs a good clean up, but yeah, we're waiting for some bits yet before we start actually working on it. What are you doing? Hey? What are you doing, Steve? Just chilling. finger it all. Giving the Viper gearbox a good old clean. Give it a good old clean down, tighten up. Do a couple of the other bits for Viper there, and then the doors, exhaust, and that is probably going to have a new exhaust on it. So we'll see what we can do with these, but yeah, more than likely have a new exhaust. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Bit of a short one. It should be a bit more interesting as we get more stuff for the engine and the actual car itself, and it starts to get built up and painted and such. And you leave a like and subscribe. If there's anything you want to see, just leave it down in the comment section. So from all of us at Midnight Garage, including this little guy, we'll catch you all in the next one. See you later.